Okay. Prehistoric period does not have evidence of writing, while the fossil bones are classified as various species such as Homo habilis, Homo erectus, and Neanderthalensis based on the lithic tools. Okay, so prehistoric period means ancient historic period and not does not have evidence of writing and not available written records. Okay, while the fossil means fattening of the system of dead past. Okay, so fossil bones are classified as different species such as Homo habilis, Homo erectus, and Neanderthalensis based on the lithic tools. Okay. Next, cultures are classified such as earliest lithic assemblages, old Oven technology, lower, middle, and upper Paleolithic, Mesolithic cultures. Okay, so earliest lithic, and this is ancient lithic means stone assemblages, old Oven technology, lower, middle, and upper Paleolithic and Mesolithic cultures. Okay, so Paleo means old, lithic means stone, so this is known as upper and old stone age. Okay, next Mesolithic cultures. Meso means middle, lithic means stone cultures, so middle stone ages. Okay, the chimpanzee and pygmies. Chimpanzee also known as bonobo, our closest living relatives. Okay, next one, earliest lithic assemblages of human ancestors. The earliest tools made by human ancestors are found in Lokmi in Kenya. Okay, so earliest ancient tools and discovered in Kenya. They are dated to 3.3 million years ago. Next one, old Oven tools and also discovered in Africa. So old Oven tools means implement occur in the old Oven church in Africa. They are 2 to 2.6 million years old. Okay, the human ancestors Australopithecines, already I told you know that Australopithecines used hammer stones and produced sharp edge flakes. Okay, so this time and human ancestors used hammer stones and produced sharp edge flakes. Okay, the tools were used for, so these tools hammer stones and also used for cutting, slicing, and processing food. Okay, next one, lower Paleolithic culture. Already I told lower Paleo means old, lithic means stone, so old and lower old stone culture. Okay, lower Paleolithic culture is marked by the human ancestors belonging to the species Homo habilis and Homo erectus. So this culture is lower Paleolithic culture. The human ancestors flake large stone blocks and design various tools including hand axe. Okay, so human ancestors this and made of different types of stones. Okay, and this is known as hand axe. These tools which are found in Africa, Asia, and Europe. Okay, so hand axe tools are discovered in Africa, Asia, and Europe, are dated the earliest to about 1.8 million years ago. They made various tools such as and different types of tools such as hand axe and cleavers. Okay, hand axe and cleavers to meet their subsistence needs. So this is known as bifaces. Okay, bi means two, faces means side. Okay, and these tools are also known as bifaces. These tools have physical symmetry and convey the human's cognitive skills. So and prehistoric peoples in our human ancestors and cognitive means knowledgeable persons. Okay, this culture is called the lower Paleolithic culture, and this culture is known as lower Paleolithic culture. The hand axe tools are also known as Acheulean. The hand axe tools are also known as Acheulean. This tool making tradition continued till 250,000 years to 60,000 years ago in India. Okay, so the hand axe tools also known as Acheulean. Next one, Acheulean. They were first hand axe recognized at a place called Saint-Achille in France. So these tools and discovered in Saint-Achille in France. So they are called Acheulean tools. Okay. Next one, bifaces are tools that have flaking on both sides. Okay, so bi means two, face means side, so this is known as bifaces. Okay, students, today homework questions. What are Acheulean tools are reported to have been found in Karnataka and in Madhya Pradesh, and Izambur in Karnataka and Pimbadka in Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Next question number 2. What are five-phase tools? And five-phase are tools that have flaking on both sides. Okay. Bi means two, face means sides. Okay. Students, study the homework questions. Okay. Thank you.